Hey y'all, Shaph Sassy here. I'm so excited to have you guys here because Valentine's Day is right around the corner and you need to look fabulous all throughout the day. So I did this very fun video for you where you can wear the look in the day and you don't have to worry about, you know, wiping your face off or wiping your eyes off or anything. You just change the look up a bit. So it's like a simple look in the day. Well, my type of simple. But I mean, if you want to learn, you can always watch a video 1,000 gazillion times. All right, so you can watch a video for the day look, and in the night you can always darken it up. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty wearable. I hope you guys enjoy the video and I pray you guys have a great Valentine's Day. I decree and declare a lot of engagements. Yes! I mean, who would not want that though? Who would not want to get engaged to on Valentine's Day? I mean, maybe some people would want it for their birthday or something, but Valentine's Day is pretty cute, don't you think? Anyway, watch the video, enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell a friend, draw your auntie, draw your cousin, you know, draw some female we know can do them. You say, come, you say, listen. I know this girl, she can do makeup like on YouTube, you know. You can watch her, you know. Can't help herself. And you know so she can't do the makeup, you know. She just come and she come and work with the one color all over the eye. Y'all need to stop doing that in 2018, okay? There are a lot of haters out there and they are waiting on you to fall in the makeup game. But I'm here to help you out, okay? So just... let's add to an outfit. Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoyed. Mwah!
Guys, so we're just starting out with the brows. I already outlined them with that Anastasia Beverly Hills deep brow in the shade chocolate, and I really love this brush. It really allowed me to, you know, outline the brow and blend it down to my eyelid.
On my own, a soulmate of mine. I want a girl that's real. I truly got my back. She enough love me for no fame, no for no money. She have to love me for who I am inside.
Now I'm just outlining the top, and I know it does look like seriously ashy, but don't worry, we will definitely be darkening that up, so no need to worry, y'all. I'm Gucci, you Gucci, we all Gucci. Hello. You guys gotta really ensure that you blend that concealer out into your skin, like what you see me doing here. Ooh, girl. Now we're just doing the other brow, and I like for my eyebrows to be gradient, so they're a little thick at the front, and then, you know, they come and they get snatched at the end. You know what I mean? Yeah, go there. Yeah, you. I'm so ratchet.
These girls ain't loyal. She have the mind.
Now we're just gonna comb the hairs where they are supposed to be. Comb them upwards, and I'm gonna use that same concealer and just put it on my eyelids, and that same brush that I used to outline my eyebrows, I'm just gonna use it to spread the product all over my eyelid and just prep the eyelids for the eyeshadow. I'm going in with a foundation brush to just smooth that concealer out so there's no demarcation of, you know, that other brush that we had used before. Now we're going in with some translucent powder, and this is going to be placed above my crease, and I really don't like to put it at the crease because I like for the eyeshadow to have something to stick to. Now we're just going in with my MAC shadow, and we're just placing that right in the crease, and we're kind of spreading it out. And remember guys, blending is key. Blending is your best friend. Okay, girlfriend. Okay.
Hello. So I'm searching for you. Girl, I'm searching till I find
Okay guys, so we're gonna be going in with the 252 Ultimate palette. I really like this palette. It's from Coastal Scent, and we're gonna be going in with that nice little shade of pink right there. And if you don't have it, you can always substitute it for a pink shade that you might have. You don't exactly have to use what I have, but as long as you have the color, you can always try to substitute it for something else. I'm just gonna be going in with that brush. Please do not ask me what's the name of it, because as you can see, it was stripped off, and girl, what I like to do is ensure that the pink shade is diffusing into that nice orange peachy shade that we have there. So ensure that you're not seeing where any color started, you're just diffusing it, and it's just gonna be looking beautiful. Right now we're going to be going in with that nude shade. This is a palette that I customized myself. A lot of colors from ColourPop, Colored Rain. We're just going to be going in on the lids with that, and as you can see, I'm patting it, I'm not wiping it, and I ensured, and remember I was saying that this is why I ensured I didn't put anything on the lid, because I wanted to ensure that it has something to stick to.
But as Chris Brown states, these girls ain't loyal. She have the mind of a queen and the loving that keep me one place. I wanna find that special girl, I'ma make her my baby. Tired of sleeping in an empty.
Same shade that I used on my lid, on my mobile lid, I'm just putting it on my brow bone, you know, to highlight and pop the eyes.
I feel so bad. Just the thought of getting.
Going in with my Inglot gel liner in 77. That's the black one that they have, and I'm just going in with a very fine line.
Find that one. Oh, I'm searching and searching for you, girl. I'm searching, searching till I find that love for me. Nobody wants to be alone.
Now we're going to be going in with the Embryolisse Late Cream. It's a moisturizer, and a little goes a long way.
Nobody wants to be alone.
Now I'm just going to go in with the Meron Skin Prep Liquid. I use it to prep my skin, and I just use a dual fiber brush all over, and I just wait for it to dry and wait for my face to get really tight. We're going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 368. This is my go-to foundation. I absolutely love it, and you know, to be honest, this was the first time I was trying this foundation. I always used to go for the 360, but I'm definitely going to be going for the 368 now. It's pretty bomb. I didn't know it matched so well. As you can see, I'm doing fine lines. I'm not doing dots or anything of that sort, because I want to ensure that it's getting all up into the beauty blender and nothing is going to be left back. Going over that really ashy brow. So that's why I was telling you guys, don't worry. I'm just going in with a damp beauty blender, and I'm ensuring that I pat all of my foundation out. Alright, so I'm just going in with that ColourPop concealer. Y'all should get into this product. It's so warm. I put it at the bridge of my nose, under my eye, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead, just to highlight those areas.
I'm searching for you, girl. I'm searching till I find that love for me.
And I spray that e.l.f. mist and set spray all over, just so those highlighted areas can be mild and toned down a bit, you know, because I knew that I went into, like, that was a really light color. But if you know you're gonna be having issues blending this out, just ensure that you go in with something that is like a shade lighter or 2 shades lighter.
Someone to hold. Anytime I feel so bad, just the thought of getting old and alone, 'cause I'm searching and searching like, ooh, searching and searching for you, girl. I'm searching, searching till I find that love for me. Yeah. Nobody.
Now I'm gonna go in with my Sacha palette. You guys won't really need the Sacha palette. All you would really need is the shade from the Sacha palette. The Sacha palette is more for the pros. So I'm going in with a lighter shade in the highlighted areas.
Wants to be loved. Nobody, no, nobody wants to be alone. So I'm searching, searching for you, girl. I'm searching, searching till I find that love. Ghost.
Alright guys, so I'm just going in with the CoverGirl Queen collection in the shade Ebony Bronze. Ooh girl. And I'm going in just to blend out the edges of the highlighted areas. I'm doing my cheekbone, I'm blending it out as you can see. So I'm not just making a line, I'm doing it around those areas. So I'm doing it around my forehead, blending out those areas right there. So no one won't see where the highlight started or stopped. So as you can see, it really toned my face down. So it's not as ashy as it was before.
So I'm searching and searching like Google. I'm searching, searching till I find that one.
And I'm just going in with that same powder but with a smaller brush. That brush is from a BH Cosmetics. I think it's a 17 piece. And I'm just using it to contour my nose. Now we're going to be going in with the Glamorous Blush Palette. It's a 10 color blush palette from BH Cosmetics. Going in with those two shades. And I'm going to be putting it on my cheeks. Add blush.
She have the mind of a queen and the loving that keep me one place. And when I find that special girl, I'ma make her my best.
We're going to be going in right now with some Artist Couture in the shade Conceited. Ooh girl. I love that shade. So we're going to be putting that at the highest part of our cheek.
Anytime I feel so bad, just the thought of getting old and alone. Cause I'm searching and searching like Google. I'm searching, searching till I find.
And we're going to be putting it the bridge of our nose, our Cupid's bow, and on our chin.
Ooh, girl, I'm searching, searching till I find that love for me. Yeah. Nobody, no, nobody.
Now it's a time for lashes. Let me know if you guys want to see a video of how I apply lashes, because boy, lashes are oh god, they're so hard to apply. Even pros struggle. Like, I think that's one of the hardest things we struggle with. Like, the thing that we struggle with the most. It's so crazy.
Searching for you, girl, I'm searching, searching till I find that love. Ghost.
And I'm just ensuring that I clamp it down with that utensil, with that tool. And then I'm just gonna use my hands to reinforce it. My fingers, sorry.
Be with someone. Don't wanna be lonely, gotta be loved. Searching for someone to call my own. A soulmate of mine. I want a girl that's real. I truly got my box enough love me for no fame, no for no money. She have to love me for who I am.
And just to hide the glue after it has dried, we're just gonna go back over that with some eyeliner, the Inglot gel liner in the number 77, and we're gonna put that up in our waterline as well.
Just the thought of getting old and alone. So I'm searching and searching like Google. I'm searching, searching till I find that one. Oh, I'm searching and searching for you, girl. I'm searching, searching till I find that love for me. Ah, boy, it's so hard nowadays to find a cat who really will stay. But as Chris Brown states, these girls ain't loyal. She have to have the mind of a queen.
We're going to be going in with Maybelline Great Lash, and we're going to be putting that on our lashes to just emphasize that and give it the oomph. Now I'm saying, girl. And then we're going to be putting it on our bottom lashes.
'Cause tonight I need someone to hold. Anytime I feel so bad.
So now we're going to be going in with the LA Girl eyeliner in the shade medium brown to line our lips. And this is the first lip color that's going to be really making the look natural. And this is the first natural lip color.
Girl, I'm searching, searching till I find that love for me. Nobody, nobody wants.
Yes, girl, feel yourself, feel yourself, feel yourself. Fix the hair, fix the hair, fix the hair. Spray. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And we sprayed with that same spray that we use, Elf Mist and Set. And we're just going to be blending out with our Real Techniques powder brush. And we're going to let that dry and put some more highlighter on. Ooh, girl, because we wanted them to see us from we enter the room. Hubby, do you see me? Yes. Yes. Ooh, girl. Ooh. Ooh, girl. I'm so crazy.
Ghost. No one wants to be alone. Everybody wanna be with someone. Don't wanna be lonely.
Alright, so for the second natural look, we're going to be changing the lip again. I'm just giving you guys a lot of options.
Of mine. I want a girl that's real. I surely got my box enough love me for no fame, no far.
And that's the color of my lip. And that's how the lip looks with the eyes. I really like this one. It complements it. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing the night look, and you can just go home. You won't have to wash your face. Come on, girls, we know you don't have to really wash your face. And we're just gonna be darkening up the crease a little bit. So we're gonna be going in with any brown eyeshadow that you have. I'm so sorry I didn't get to video the brown eyeshadow that I had used, but I went in with a brown eyeshadow and just darkened up the crease a little. And if you want to go in with black, that would be nice as well. You can go in with a black, but don't go in too crazy.
Will stay, but as Chris Brown states, these girls ain't loyal. She have to have the mind of a queen and the loving that keep me one place. I want to find that special girl, I'ma make her my baby. Tired of sleeping in an empty bed.
We're just gonna be darkening up our waterline, the bottom waterline, and outside the eye, right at the rim. That purple shade that we used in the crease, you can always blend that black out, that black eyeliner out that we had at the bottom. Yeah, just blend it out with a very small fluffy brush. So we're gonna be going in with a black opal lip, and the name of it is Posh. And we're gonna be putting that on. You're really supposed to line it first with the medium brown shade from LA Girl, but I don't know why I didn't do that first.
I'm searching, searching till I find that love. Ghost. Ghost. No one wants to be alone. Everybody
Alright, so for the second night look, we're gonna go in with Fenty Beauty's new lipstick, and mommy is saying hi. And I really like this lipstick. It is very pigmented, so it doesn't really need a liner.
Girl, that's real. I surely got my box enough love me for no fame, no for no money. She have to love me for who I am inside. I'm tired of sleeping in an empty bed.
I'm such a mess, guys. I didn't even get to blend out the other eye, but that's fine. Y'all see it. Y'all can wear it that way or that way. So we're gonna just go with that one. And that's the look. I hope you guys loved the video. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next one.
Searching and searching like